Hemp seeds are an excellent source of nutrition and offer a wide range of health benefits. They are a good source of protein, essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Hemp seeds are also a good source of fiber. Some amazing benefits of hemp seed are: Number 1. Before we move any further, make sure to hit subscribe, that helps a lot. Hemp seeds are a good source of plant-based protein. They contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle tissue. Number 2. Hemp seeds are a good source of essential fatty acids. These are the good fats that are essential for maintaining cell membranes and producing hormones. Number 3. Hemp seeds are high in fiber. This helps to keep your digestive system healthy and can aid in weight loss. Number 4. Hemp seeds are a good source of vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamins A, C, and E, as well as magnesium, potassium, and iron. Number 5. Hemp seeds may have anti-inflammatory properties. This means they could help to reduce the swelling and pain associated with conditions like arthritis.